So you chose Avrion to develop this middleware solution for you. How did you go about choosing Avrion as a supplier? Because choosing a new supplier is always a nerve-wracking thing to do.
Well, luckily, we already had some dealings with Avrion. When we were bought out by Restore back in 2016, they were managing our CRM system. And the reason why we started looking at Avrion, because when we were migrating from our old one to our new one, the attention to detail into our process and our business was excellent. They always kind of asked the right questions and wanted to know how we did things. So for us at the time, choosing Avrion was kind of an easy option for us because they started to build up that knowledge and understanding of what we were doing as a company.